Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified of new video releases. Also, if you're on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/CryptoJetta. So today I'm going to do a vlog, I guess you could say, on Drip Network. I made a previous video a while back on how to get started with Drip. I have that link in the description as well if you want to learn how to get into this platform. Because in the future anyway, I'm going to start giving out airdrops. But today, in this vlog, I'm going to buy some more Drip to put in the faucet. So you can see me doing this live. Alright, so right now I have a deposit of 12 Drip, which is around about $132.45 currently, and I have available 0.902, which is around about $9.63. So once I buy some more Drip and to put in the faucet, it's automatically going to compound this into the deposits anyway. So, and right now I currently have close to 1 Drip just sitting in my wallet. So let me go ahead. I think today I want to buy about maybe about 10 Drip maybe. Let me see. Let's see. I have about 0.3494 BNB currently. So let me see. 3.3. I just want to make sure I have enough for taxes and whatnot. But anyway, guys, before I even do that, I just want to show you the current price of Drip, which is around about $10.68. If we go to dexscreener.com, type in Drip, BUSD. Yes, the price of Drip is tanking, but I feel like this is the perfect opportunity to get into Drip, especially if you understand the tokenomics. Probably in the future video, I'm going to explain the tokenomics of Drip a little bit better for you guys. I know in the previous video, I just did a brief refresher, I guess you could say, on what Drip is and how to get in and whatnot. But I want to eventually make a video of a more in-depth research on this platform, and in all its tokenomics, So, but anyway, right now it's selling right now. People selling down on it. But me personally, with the things that's coming for Drip, I know the developer has a lot of things planned for Drip, and the Animal Farm, which I'm going to talk about here in a future video as well. This price here is just only temporary. So we're going to go ahead and buy some Drip to add to my faucet here. So I'm going to buy about maybe 0.33. Alright, so I'm going to click on buy. Go ahead and pay with the gas fees here. Alright, the purchase was successful. We click OK. So we're going to wait for this balance right here to change for me. There we go. Now I have about 10.22 Drip that I want to go ahead and just deposit. So let's go back to faucet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on max. In fact, I might not even do that. I'm just do like a 10 and just hold that fractional. So I'm gonna deposit. Now, as you can see here, before I hit the button here right here to confirm, it says a minimum of 1 Drip is required for deposits, and there's a 10% tax in charge on deposit. So When I deposit this 10, it's not going to be the full 10 that I have in my deposit. It'll be close to it. So I say maybe about 9 drip that's going into my deposit. So let me go ahead and click on confirm. Alright, deposit was successful, and let's see this change right here. And like I said earlier, the available is also going to go into my deposits. As you can see here, it's now 0. Now I have 22 drip in my faucet. 2.957 was claimed. Max payout is 82 drip. Now from what I heard, the max payout is 100,000, and once you reach your claim about 27K ish, you won't be able to deposit any more drip into this platform. So all you gotta do now is just withdraw all your drip until you hit that, I guess, that max payout. But like I said, once I get to that point, closer to that point, I'll show you more on this. But like I said, this is just a simple, quick video vlog, I guess you could say, of my deposits. I'm definitely going to be doing more vlogs on this. So anyway, guys, you have a good one. Also, like I said, if you want to join Drip Network and potentially make money into this, because you're making money daily anyway, which is paying out a 1% daily return on investment up to 365%. And like I said, I haven't even talked about the Animal Farm, which plays a role into Drip Faucet. Right now, the Animal Farm is being reworked. But the most important thing of why you want to get into Drip is, one, with the Drip Garden, which I'll definitely talk about in another video here. I have around about 1,700 plants. Definitely going to do another video on showing you the process on how to buy plants and compound. But the most important thing here is this farm. That's, like I said, the migration right now is underway. That's why people are pretty much trying to sell this coin down, because there's no real utility right now. But once this utility come back with the Drip BUSD LP, this price right here, it's gonna go back up. I'm telling you, because the all-time high was around 170, close to 170. Once this utility right here, Drip BUSD, goes back into place, because what this farm right here does, every time you deposit, it's a 1% fee that goes towards the overall tax vault here. That helps pays out participants. Also, I heard the developer Forex Shark said he's going to introduce a 1% fee for withdrawals here too, which is also going to help the Drip faucet. So like I said, I'll talk about that more once the Animal Farm is fully live. There's a whole lot of other stuff I need to talk about, like the piggy bank. But anyway, guys, like I said, I just wanted to make this short and sweet on my first vlog of Drip Network. So with that said, you guys have a good one.